Let's start. Today we'll discuss about how to make calculations in MS Excel. Here we can see one of the spreadsheet which is created in MS Excel. We have taken admission number, roll number, name, class, maths, subjects names like maths, science, SST, Hindi, English, then their total and percentages. Here every subject is of 30 marks. So it is written in the bracket. So after that we have taken the student's name, class also mentioned, marks here written. To calculate the total of each student, we can see when we have clicked on this total cell address J3, first student's total, we can see in the formula bar equals to sum bracket E3 colon I3. E3 is the cell address of the first subject marks, and I3 is the marks of last subject, that is English. Here it is math, science, SST, Hindi, English. So here it is taken E column, F column, G column, H column and I column. So like that we have selected the columns E to I, and the row is 3, third row. That's why when we have given the formula for total, we have written here equals to sum E3, that is starting from E3, E column and third row, to the last cell, that is I3, that is the ith column and third row. So this here we can see, as soon as we are selecting where we have to type the formula, we are seeing in the address this formula bar equals to sum bracket E3 colon I3. So this way we have typed the formula, and as soon as we pressed the enter, we got the result. We can see here like this, we typed the formula, and when we pressed the enter, we got the result. We don't have to type the formula by ourselves. So this way we can calculate the total. To calculate the percentage of all the students, we will start giving the formula in this K3 cell address. To give the formula here, now we will be typing equals to J3 multiplied by 100 into divided by 150. Okay, means total number of marks, because every subject contains is maximum marks is 30. So 30 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subjects, math, science, SST, Hindi, English. So 30 into 5 is 150. So here we have given the formula J3 into 100 upon 150. As soon as I have given the formula and pressed enter, I got the result as this. Suppose we have not given here any of the formula, it is blank. Now once I have given the formula here in K3, now I can drag it when this plus sign will appear on my screen, drag it down, so we can see here the results of all the students percentage is getting displayed over here. We can check here that 94% scored by second student, that is Priyanshu, roll number 26. This is the formula which is given over here, J4 into 100 divided by 150. So J4 is containing the total of Priyanshu itself, means second student, and third is the total of the third student, that is containing the total of third student Ayan, that is J5 into 100 upon 150. That is the formula which is given here for calculating the percentage. So this way we can calculate the percentage of all the students. So this way we have seen these three students marks and total and percentage. Now if we want to display the same way the marks, total and percentage, and we want to calculate the total and percentage, we can calculate by ourselves also in these rows. Okay, so hope all of you have understood how to calculate the total and percentage in Microsoft Excel. If we want to update the marks of any of the students, suppose the marks of Raghav is increased from 28 to 30, then as soon as we'll press enter, we can see here the percentage of that student is automatically updated. So we don't have to calculate, we don't have to make changes in any of the formula if we are making changes in marks. So this way marks, changing the marks only is needed. Input value, the percentage or the total will be updated itself. We can see once again, suppose the marks of the second student Priyanshu is updated from 25 to 27. As soon as we press enter, the percentage which is reflecting here 94 will be increased. So here it is now 95.33. Thank you. Hope you all have understood.